हेलो दोस्तों, आपका स्वागत है एटॉमिक स्ट्रक्चर में। आप इसको सेंड कर दीजिएगा दोस्तों के साथ शेयर कर दीजिएगा, लाइक सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिएगा। तो पहला क्वेश्चन मैं कराने जा रहा हूँ दोस्तों एटॉमिक स्ट्रक्चर का। ये जो कराऊँगा सब इम्पोर्टेंट क्वेश्चन है दोस्तों, जो एग्ज़ाम में मस्टली आने का चांसेस बना रहता है। तो कैथोड रे क्या है? स्ट्रीम ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन का है। कैथोड रे क्या होता है? स्ट्रीम ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन। कैथोड रे आर cathode ray have cathode ray have watts mass and charge both. Cathode ray have mass and charge both. Neutron was discovered Chadwick. Okay. Rutherford, alpha, beta and gamma. Okay. And Thomson is the electron. Discovery of neutron becomes very late because it does not carry any charge. Okay, it does not carry any charge. It is present on the nucleus. It does not carry any charge. Okay, it does not carry any charge. Discovery of the neutrons becomes very late. Discovery of the neutrons becomes very late because it does not carry any charge. It does not carry any charge. That is the reason of the late. Three basic components of atom: protons, neutrons, and electrons. Absolute value of the charge on the electron was determined Ra millicons. Okay, Rn millicons. Mass of the electron how was? So 9.1 into 10 to 28 gram. 9.1 into 10 to the power minus 28 gram. 9.1 into 10 to the power minus 28 gram. Mass of electron is equal to 9.1 into 10 to the minus 28 gram. Okay, Rutherford alpha particles scattering experiment was the responsible for the discover of protons. Alpha particle scattering experiment was the responsible for the discovery of protons nucleus. सॉरी दोस्तों, सिस्टम में खराबी आ गया था। तो मास ऑफ द इलेक्ट्रॉन कितना होता है? 9.1 इंटू माइनस 28 ग्राम. ओके. रदरफोर्ड अल्फा पार्टिकल स्कैटरिंग एक्सपेरिमेंट वाज द रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर द डिस्कवरी ऑफ न्यूक्लियस दोस्तों. ठीक है, सिस्टम में खराबी आने के कारण आपको ये टिपाया कुछ और. ओके, न्यूक्लियस. रदरफोर्ड ने अल्फा पार्टिकल का स्कैटरिंग एक्सपेरिमेंट से क्या पता किया था? न्यूक्लियस के साइज का. Atomic size of the order 10 to the minus 8 centimeter. Radius of an atom nucleus is of the orders how much? 10 to the minus 13. 10 to the minus 30. Atomic nucleus is of the order of 10 to the minus 13 centimeter. Positive ions are formed from the neutron atoms by loss of electron. Positive ions are formed from the neutrons atom by the loss of electrons. Two word insolation. The word insolation means okay, insolation means incoming solar radiation. Insolation means incoming solar radiation. Incoming solar radiation. What insolation means? Incoming solar radiation. Particles with the 13 proton and 10 electrons is aluminum 3 plus ions. Particle with the 13 proton and 10 electrons. Aluminum 3 plus ion. Which of the following atom contains the least number of neutrons? So uranium 92 235 least number of the neutrons. Atom are composed सिस्टम में अगेन खराबी है. तो एटम आर द कंपोज ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन एंड न्यूक्लियाई. एटम्स आर कंपोज इलेक्ट्रॉन्स एंड न्यूक्लियाई. विच ऑफ द प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ द एलिमेंट इज ए होल नंबर. विच ऑफ द प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ एलिमेंट्स इज ए होल नंबर्स. तो atomic number. Atoms having the same number of the protons but different number of the neutrons are called different number of the fall, but protons is the same, is known as the isotope. Isotopes. Nucleus are protons and neutrons. Nucleus are protons and neutrons. Protons and nucleus are protons and nucleus. The charge on the positron is equal to the charge on the positron is equal to the charge on protons. Okay, protons. The charge on the positron is equal to the protons. Discovery of nucleus of an atom was due to the experiment carried out. Discovery of nucleus of an atom was due to the experiment carried out. Why? Who? Rutherford. Who? The Rutherford. Discovery of nucleus of an atom was due to experiment carried out. Rutherford. Sodium plus ions is isoelectronic. Isoelectronics with magnesium 2 plus ion. Sodium plus ions is isoelectronic with magnesium 2 plus ions. Neutrino has no charge, 0 mass. Okay, 0 charge, 0 mass. Neutrino. Electromagnetic radiation with the maximum wavelength. Who is the maximum wavelength? Electromagnetic radiation maximum wavelength. Radio wave. कौन होगा? इलेक्ट्रोमैग्नेटिक रेडिएशन विथ मैक्सिमम वेवलेंथ. रेडियो वेव. Maximum wavelength. Radio wave. Okay, electromagnetic radiation with the maximum wavelength. Radio wave. The value of Planck constant. 6.62 into 10 to the minus 34 joule second. Okay, joule into second. 6.62 into 10 to the minus 34 joule. Rydberg constant for hydrogen lines. Rydberg constant for hydrogen lines कितना होगा? 1,09,678 पर सेंटीमीटर. Rydberg constant for hydrogen lines 1,96,178. The position and velocity of a small particle like electron cannot be simultaneously determined. This is a statement of Heisenberg uncertainty. The position and velocity of a small particle like small particle like electron cannot be simultaneously determined. ठीक है. This is a statement of Heisenberg uncertainty. The concept of dual nature of the radiation was proposed. Dual nature of the proposed D. Bernoulli. Okay, the concept of nature of radiation was proposed D. Bernoulli. Which of the ions is not having the configuration of neon? तो किसका नहीं होगा? तो किसका होगा? क्लोरीन आयंस का, क्लोरीन नेगेटिव का. ठीक है. Which of the ions is not having the configuration of neon? क्लोरीन आयन का नहीं होगा. Indicate the correct arrangement of the electromagnetic radiation in the order of their increasing of wavelength. Indicate the correct arrangement of electromagnetic radiation in the order of their increasing wavelength. एक्सरे होगा पहले, फिर विजुअल होगा, फिर इंफ्रारेड होगा, फिर माइक्रोवेव होगा. Indicate the correct arrangement of the electromagnetic radiation in order of their increasing wavelength. एक्सरे होगा, विजुअल होगा, इंफ्रारेड होगा एंड माइक्रोवेव होगा. एक्सरे होगा, विजुअल होगा, इंफ्रारेड होगा, एक्सरे विजुअल. एक्सरे के बाद विजुअल होगा, एक्सरे के बाद विजुअल होगा एंड फिर उसके बाद इंफ्रारेड होगा, फिर माइक्रोवेव होगा. इंफ्रारेड होगा, फिर माइक्रोवेव होगा. In a given atom, no two electrons can have the same value for all the 4 quantum numbers. This is called. In a given atom, no two electrons can have the same value for all the 4 quantum numbers. This is called Pauli exclusion principle क्या कहलाएगा? Pauli exclusion principle. A given atom, no two electron can have same value. Okay, two electron have same no value. All four quantum number. This is called the Pauli exclusion principle. Called Pauli exclusion principle. The atomic orbital is the region in which there is a maximum probability of finding electron. The region in which there is a maximum probability of finding electron. Okay, finding electron. Maximum number of electron on a principal cell. Maximum number of electron on a principal cell is 2n square. 2n square. The total number of orbital in a principal cell 2n square. 2n square. Total number of orbital in principal cell 2n square. Which orbital is dual well shape? Dual well shape p orbital. Dual well shape. Do well shape. Which orbital is dual well shape? p orbital. Thomson model is known as the plum pudding model. Okay, plum pudding model. Thomson model, plum pudding model. Thomson model means plum pudding model. Okay, Thomson is the searching of the electrons. Okay, now the Rutherford is searching of the nuclear. Okay, searching of the nuclear theory. Rutherford model, nuclear theory. Rutherford theory, nuclear theory. Bohr model theory. Concept of a quantization of energy. Concept of quantization of energy. Bohr's model quantization of energy. Bohr's model quantization of energy. Okay, quantization of energy. De Broglie theory, dual nature of electron. De Broglie theory, what's so double nature of electron? De Broglie theory. Tritium is an isotope of hydrogen. Tritium is the isotope of hydrogen. Tritium is an isotope of hydrogen. Okay. The number of unpaired electron in carbon. Number of unpaired electron in carbon atom is 2. Okay. Number of unpaired electron in carbon atom is 2. Meson was discovered by a Yukawa. Meson was discovered by a Yukawa. Meson was discovered by a Yukawa. Okay, Meson was discovered by Yukawa. Nuclear particles are responsible for holding all nucleons together are holding all nucleons. Meson. Okay, meson. Nuclear particle responsible for holding all nucleons together are mesons. Cathode ray can be deflected. Magnetic field only and electric field only. दोनों करता. Cathode ray can be deflected. Magnetic ray and electric field दोनों, both type of the field. Okay. When a helium atoms loses an electron, it becomes a positive helium ions. A helium atoms loses an electron, it becomes a positive helium ions. Photoelectric effect is described as ejection of electron from a surface of metal when electron of suitable velocity impinge on it. लाइट ऑफ सुइटेबल वेवलेंथ होगा, लाइट वाला होगा. ठीक है. लाइट ऑफ सुइटेबल वेवलेंथ फॉल ऑन इट. Photoelectric effect is described as ejection of electron from the surface of a metal when light of suitable wavelength fall on it. The constituent particles of a nucleus in an atom are constituent particle of nucleus in an atom are proton and neutron. Constituent particles of nucleus in an atom, protons and neutrons. Alpha particle carries 2 positive charges. Its mass is very nearly equal to an atom of helium. The alpha particle carries two positive charges. Its mass is very nearly equal to that of an atom of helium and atom of the helium. Alpha particles carries two positive charges. Its mass is very nearly to equal to that of an atoms of helium. An atoms of order of filling up of orbital filling. Okay, orbital filling up is known as the Aufbau principle. Okay, Aufbau principle is filling of the orbital, Aufbau principle, filling of orbital, Aufbau principle. Regarding of the atom of the chemical element. Okay, regarding of the chemical element, magnetic quantum number refers to the orientation. Magnetic quantum number refers to orientation. Magnetic quantum number refers to orientation. Which one of the following an old written material? Okay, which one of the following an old written material which cannot be read easily can be read? Okay, cannot be easily read. X-ray. Who? X-ray. Which can be falling and the old written material which cannot be read easily can be read. Okay, cannot be easily read. X-ray. Wavelength of which of the following colors? Wavelength of which of following colors of visual spectrum of light are maximally observed by a green plant? रेड एंड ब्लू होगा. ओके, वेवलेंथ ऑफ विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग वेवलेंथ ऑफ द विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग कलर्स ऑफ द विजुअल स्पेक्ट्रम of a light are maximally observed by a green plant. Red and blue. Which of the following has highest frequency? Highest frequency has cosmic ray. Highest frequency cosmic ray. Highest frequency has cosmic ray. Which of the following electromagnetic wave has the longest wavelength? Whose? Infrared ray. Yes, infrared ray. Which of the following electromagnetic wave longest wavelength? Infrared wavelength. Which of the following has the longest wavelength? Infrared radiation. Infrared radiation. Which of the following longest wavelength? Infrared radiation. Which electromagnetic radiation emitted by the radioactive substance? Emitted the gamma ray. Gamma ray is emitted of the radioactive substances. Electromagnetic radiation emitted by radioactive substances. Okay, which of the following wave propagate in a vacuum? Radio wave, light wave and X-ray. Radio wave, light wave and X-ray. 1, 2, 3. Okay, which of the following wave will propagate in a vacuum? Radio wave, light wave, X-ray. Radio wave, light wave and X-ray. The number of unpaired electron in manganese 2 plus ion is 5. Number of unpaired electrons in manganese 2 plus ion is 5. Manganese 2 plus ion is 5 unpaired electron. Manganese 2 plus ion का. Wavelength of X-ray is of order. Wavelength of X-ray is of order of 1 angstrom. X-ray का order wavelength है. Okay, wavelength of X-ray is order of 1 angstrom. Wavelength of X-ray 1 angstrom. Okay. Visual. Consider the following part of the spectrum. 1, 2, 3, 4. Look which of the following is the correct sequence in which the wavelength increasing means that first of all lowest वाला. ओके, तो सबसे कम वाला कौन होगा? 3 होगा, अल्ट्रा वायलेट. सबसे कम होगा अल्ट्रा वायलेट. फिर उससे जस्ट बड़ा होगा विजुअल, अल्ट्रा वायलेट के बाद जस्ट विजुअल, ओके जस्ट विजुअल, विजुअल के बाद जस्ट इंफ्रारेड होगा, जस्ट इंफ्रारेड होगा, जस्ट इंफ्रारेड होगा, फिर उसके बाद माइक्रोवेव होगा। ठीक है, ये क्या है, सीक्वेंस है इंक्रीजिंग में वेवलेंथ, इंक्रीजिंग वेवलेंथ में, इंक्रीजिंग वेवलेंथ में।